Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Natasha Priyaputya. I am from class 4B. My student ID is 064. Today I would like to tell you about a novel called Forgiving by Laverne Spencer. This novel is a historical romance set in Deadwood during the gold rush in the late 1800th century. However, it is not only about romance. It also tells us about family, forgiveness, hope, and second chance. The story follows Sarah Merritt, a young woman who left her hometown to search for her younger sister, the name Adelaide or Addie. Uh, Addie disappeared several years ago, and Sarah has never stopped worrying about her. She travels to Deadwood because she wants to find Addie and, if impossible, bring her back home again. So, when Sarah arrived, she realized that Deadwood is very different from the quiet place where she grew up, like other places like that. So, the town is crowded, noisy, and filled with people who come to look for gold or start new life. Living there is not easy, but Sarah refused to give up because her sister means everything for her. While searching for Eddie, Sarah meets Noah Cable, the town of Marshall. Their first meetings are not very pleasant because Sarah thinks Noah is too serious and sometimes rude, while Noah believes Sarah is stubborn and always wants things her own way. Even though they argue a lot, Noah notices Sarah's determination and decides to help her. After a long search, Sarah finally finds Eddie. Unfortunately, the reunion is nothing like she expected. Like Eddie now working in a brothel and was completely changed her life. Like not Eddie Sarah know before. So she felt ashamed of her past and believed she no longer belongs with her family. Instead of happily returning home, she asked Sarah to leave her alone. Sarah heartbroken, right? But she refuses to abandon her sister. She understands that Adida has experienced painful things, even though she does don't know every detail. Instead of forcing Eddie to live with her, Sarah stays in Deadwood and patiently waits for a chance to rebuild their relationship. As the same the time pass the same time like that, Sarah begins to know the people of Deadwood better. She realized that many of them have difficult past and are simply trying to build a better future in that place. This experience teach her not to judge people uh, based on what only on their appearance or their mistake. So, at the same time, Sarah and Noah spend more time together. They slowly began to understand each other. Sarah discovers that Noah is actually kind, responsible, and willing to help everyone who needs him. Noah also admires Sarah because she is brave, independent, and deeply cares about her family. The relationship slowly grows into love, but the relationship is not perfect. Like they still misunderstanding because both of them sometimes hide their true feelings instead of talk honestly like that. So another important part of the novel is a deep personal journey. Like she carries good, fear, and painful memories that make her believe she does not deserve happiness. The struggle to forgive herself and worries that other people will never accept her again. Like he's scary with everyone like that. Sarah never judged Adi for her choice. Instead, she gave her support, passion, and unconditionally love. Little by little, Adi begins to realize that she is still loved and that her past does not define her forever. So, this process takes time, but it becomes one of the most emotionally parts of the story. The little forgiving perfectly described the message of the novel. Forgiveness is not only about forgiving other people. Sometimes the hardest thing is forgiving ourselves. Every main character makes mistake, experience pain, and learns valuable lessons. Through this experience, they become stronger and wiser. So here, my favorite character is Sarah Merritt because she never gave up and she faces disappointment, rejection, and many challenges, but she continues moving forward. She saw that real love means staying beside the people we care about, even during difficult times. I also like Noah because he is loyal, patient, and also support Sarah when she needs help. Personally, I think this novel is very meaningful because its message is very relevant today. In real life, many people experience misunderstanding, family problems, and painful memories. This story reminds us that everyone deserves kindness, like understanding and another change. Overall, I really enjoy reading Forgiving. It is not just a romance story but also a story about healing, hope, family, and personal growth. It teaches us that our past does not have to control our future. If we are willing to forgive, trust, and keep moving forward, we can build stronger relationships and become better people. Thank you for listening, and I hope this story encourage all of us to appreciate our families, communicate honestly, and remember that forgiveness can change someone's life. So, that's all from me, Natasha Raputila Zahra. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.